Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best matte eyeshadow palettes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lamora Best Pro Eyeshadow Palette Makeup. The Lamora Exposed Eyeshadow Palette is inspired from the gentle side and will be created with ingredients of the highest quality and most updated to be more beautiful, and the product is luxuriously pigmented waterproof eyeshadow cream. The enhance your natural features with velvety smooth and very colorful to perform the best of this product is very good for your to use it and very comfortable with this brand. Moving on at number 4, we have the Maybelline The Blushed Nudes Eyeshadow Palette Makeup, 0.34 ounce. The Lamora Exposed Eyeshadow Palette is inspired by the feminine and gentle side. They are created with ingredients of the highest quality and the most updated, luxurious product and waterproof eyeshadow cream formula. The product is very high quality and colorful rose gold and royally dark browns, and for new ways to get an exposed. At number 3, we have the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips Custom Eye Enhancing Kit. The Physicians Formula Shimmer Stripe Custom Ice Enhancing Kit gets the named look for any eye color with this set, which includes 9 eyeshadows and 2 eyeliners and 2 mascaras. The kit feather is water-resistant and smudge-resistant. Long-lasting glamour, we can make a full line of beauty products for eyes, lips, face and skincare. At number 2, we have the Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow 10 Pan Palette Comfort Zone, 0.3 ounce. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow is very famous for people who are too lazy to use it when they have a meeting and go to the office for work. It is very best to use makeup. Add flawless color to your eyelid with this eyeshadow. The palette features 5 shimmery eyeshadow and 5 matte shadows that apply evenly to prevent creasing and fading. For one more of this brand is Wet n Wild Eye Makeup product. Cosmetics are 100% cruelty-free. And finally at number 1, we have the Milani Bold Obsessions Eyeshadow Palette. The best mention to all of us for using this brand is that it is very perfect and very bold, or goes subtle with a hot bold obsession eyeshadow palette. This brand is chosen from a collection of 12 eye-catching matte and metallic eye colors to look so beautiful. The eyeshadow are formulated to be easily blended together or worn alone. The next applies dark shadow to your eye crease. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.